Hi, and it's Clare Maxfield here from Image Innovators, and this week's style tip is how to work with your style guide and your My Private Stylist program. So often I hear from a lot of clients, they go, what am I meant to do with the program and my book? How do I use them together? So I always highly recommend you just do things in stages, in the bite-sized pieces that work for you. So when you have a look at your program, and I've popped up here on the screen a sample of sample of my program, so you can see what it looks like. And then what you do is open up your guide. Let's stay here to the necklines. And over there, we've got the page of necklines. The easiest way to learn what's best for you is to just start looking at the greats and then the avoids. So you know what to look for immediately and what to go absolutely nowhere near. Keep in mind, if there's something fabulous in your wardrobe that has an avoid, look at how else it might be working for you, or talk to your consultant, but we'll worry about that later. Come in here, look at the greats, look at the avoids, and mark them off, because everything else that's not fitting into either category is okay for you. But we want to know what's great. We want you to be able to go when you're shopping and find those fabulous pieces. So if you're wondering how to work with your guide and your program, that is the best way to start. And if you're looking at this and going, oh, I'd like a copy of one of those, go into your My Private Stylist program to the shop and you will be able to buy one there. And we'll have it posted to you within 48 hours from here in Melbourne, or direct to you from America. And if you're looking at this My Private Stylist program and wondering, how do I get that? Because I want to know exactly what suits me, have a look at the link down in under this video, and you can get your own style program organized so you know exactly what you should be shopping for, what is going to look fabulous, and what you should just go nowhere near. Clare Maxfield here from Image Innovators. This is our weekly style tip. Don't forget to subscribe if it's something you think you'd be more interested in getting to see every week. And if you've got any questions, here at Image Innovators, we have training, resources and tools for image consultants all around the globe. Hope you've enjoyed this week's tip. Bye for now.